Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to the Imperial Balloons channel, where we strive to make you feel like royalty during all your special occasions. So today I am going to be setting up for actually my sister's baby shower. She is having a baby boy, and I am going to be tying my balloons neck to neck. As you can see, what you want to do is grab your longest necks in the cluster and tie those two together. I'm going to be showing you guys really quickly how that looks. And here you can see the knot that is in the two necks that are tied together really tightly. And then I'm also going to show a little clip of how I attach my balloon garland to my backdrop. I take a 260, I tie the two ends together, make two knots in it, and then I put that over the balloon. I twist it, wrap it around the balloon again, as you see here. And then I'm going to add it to the hooks that are on the back of my backdrop. And then you're going to continue to do that all around the side that you're putting your garland on until the garland is fully secured. So now I'm just going to start adding some details to the garland. I am adding some silver 5-inch mini garlands, and then I am adding some mini clusters as well. This was a pretty basic setup. I decided to throw my sister a last-minute baby shower, so you know, because I'm the decorator of the family, I had to make a balloon garland, of course. So yeah, it's a pretty basic setup. I'm not gonna hold you guys for too long. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please like and comment. Tell me what you think about the setup, and you can find me on all social media platforms at imperialballoons.ac. And that is it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.